Okay. So we were discussing about the lateral misalignment loss. So I have given you the equation. It is given by TL is equal to 2.17 y by omega square. Omega is the spot size. This spot size, this is only for fundamental mode. Okay, जब distribution, field distribution, how you are assuming it is to be Gaussian distribution. But if you go for higher modes means how it will be? It will be something like this: second order mode, then third order mode, then coming to fourth order mode, something like this. We have seen about the modal analysis, how the mode distributions are there, how the modes propagate. So out of this, whatever equation I've drawn here, this is for omega is the spot size only for this mode, fundamental mode. Okay, but if you go for higher modes, you want the value of omega to be different. Okay, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपको स्पॉट साइज मिल जाएगा, फील्ड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन डायरेक्टली है कोर में, सेंटर में मैक्सिमम है फील्ड, एंड टूवर्ड्स द क्लैडिंग एक्सपोनेंशियली डिक्रीजिंग है. But coming to higher order modes, you cannot identify like that, because of which you should have a different equation. We call it an empirical formula. Okay, with the trial and error, this omega, the spot size, can be calculated using this empirical formula. It is a 0.65 plus 1.62 v, capital V raised to minus 1 by 2, plus 2.88 capital V raised to minus 6. This V is the normalized frequency or V number. So even in case of step index and graded index, we have seen what is this V number equation. We have seen what is the equation for V number while discussing about the module 1. A is the core radius. Okay, this is applicable for higher order modes, but if you want to take it for fundamental mode, it is directly omega. Now coming to the angular, this is about lateral. Okay, yeah, ये step index हो या graded index हो, single mode I'm talking about. There is only one equation, TL. Now coming to the angular misalignment. Lateral misalignment is over. Coming to angular misalignment, it is given by the equation TA is equal to 2.17 theta omega n1v divided by A and A. So in this, we can see that the omega is the spot size, n1 is the core refractive index, v is the normalized frequency or V number, A is the core radius. Again, theta is the misalignment angular misalignment value. The above formulae, they assume that the spot sizes of the modes in two coupled fibers are same, because ये जो भी misalignments है, they are happening at these joints, right? So ये जो दो fibers हैं, first and second, we are assuming that जो भी इसमें जो wave propagate हो रहा है, जो mode में वो propagate हो रहा है, there is only single mode, right? So in the mode in which it is propagating, it has got certain spot size. Iska spot size and the second optical fiber's mode spot size, both are same. We are assuming this. And with this assumption, we have written the equations for TA. Okay, and TA and TL both. But suppose if the mode size are different, even we have a equation for that also. But before that, that equation I'll tell you. Before that, let me solve a simple problem, direct substitution problem. A simple single mode optical fiber has the following parameters. So V number is given to you, refractive index N1 is given, the core diameter is given, and the numerical aperture is given to you. So data is listed here. You have to find the total insertion loss of the fiber joint with a lateral misalignment. That offset is given to you. कितना misalign हुआ है? 1 micrometer. Angular misalignment of 1 degree. So 1 degree angular, that is theta value is given and y value is given to you. So coming to the solution, equations तो आपको पता है directly. Equations are here. So TL is equal to 2.17 y by omega. Y is given to you as 1 micrometer. Omega, it is unknown to you. Coming to angular misalignment, 2.17 theta, 1 degree given to you. N1 refractive index, V number, core radius and Na all are given. Omega is unknown to you, that is spot size. उसके लिए first you calculate the spot size. And in the question it is not mentioned that ये fundamental mode के लिए है. Hence, you have to calculate omega assuming the higher order. higher modes. Okay. Now, what is omega? Omega is equal to A into 0.65. This formula you use 1.62 V. V number is given to you minus half plus 2.88 V raised to minus 6 divided by 2, that is root 2. Substitute for V here and A. So if you substitute, you will get it as 3.12. Once omega is known to you, you can substitute it here. Y by omega 3.12 square, you will get 0.22 dB. This is your lateral misalignment. And angular misalignment, substitute the values 2.17 theta n1 va na omega. Omega just now we have got 3.12 micrometer. You can see omega micrometer mein hai, and even a, the core radius is also in the micrometer, I guess. So only number I have taken. Diameter is 2a, 8 micrometer, radius will be 4 micrometer. So ये भी micrometer में है, and जो भी आपका omega आया है, even that is in micrometer. So they will get cancelled. That's why I have taken only 3.12. Fine, that is 4 micrometer. So 4 and 3.12 only I have taken the numbers, not the tens powers. Micros will get cancelled. So TL is 0.22, angular misalignment is 0.49 dB. So what is the total misalignment? Total misalignment दोनों का मिल के होगा. That is TL plus TA. So you got 0.22 plus 0.49, which is up to 0.71 dB. Okay, this is one simple problem. Direct formula है, formula में आपको data substitute करना है. Now coming to the previous thing which I told you, I am giving you this TL and TA equations assuming that spot size जो हैं दोनों fibers के दोनों same हैं. But what if we have a different spot size? Even we should take care about that also. So assuming that no losses are present due to extrinsic factors means we don't have any extrinsic factors, means your misalignments. The intrinsic coupling loss is given by, actually speaking, we should consider all together, okay? Intrinsic, extrinsic, all the lateral, angular, everything. But in your textbook, they have mentioned it is the beyond the scope of the textbook. So assuming no extrinsic losses, सिर्फ आपको intrinsic coupling loss का equation qualitative study में दिया है. That is loss intrinsic. It is very important. It is not including the extrinsic. It is given by minus 10 log to the base 10 4 omega naught 2 by omega naught 1 plus omega naught 1 by omega naught 2. Omegas are the spot sizes. Earlier we had only one omega in the formula क्योंकि दोनों का spot size same था. But अगर spot size अलग अलग है तो ये equation आपको consider करना पड़ेगा. This is the loss and equation for loss assuming there are no extrinsic factors, misalignments. Okay, hope you understood this. Direct equations saying you should remember these equations. And there's one again, a simple problem, direct substitution problem. These problems are looking very simple to you, but remembering the equations at that time for that particular problem is a bit difficult for you at once for all modules. Two single mode fibers with the mode field diameter, that is MFD, is given 9.2 micrometer and 8.4 micrometer. The spot sizes will be different क्योंकि spot size और MFD के लिए relationship है. You have the relationship between them. You have that 2 times. Okay, that relationship you need to use. They are to be connected together. Assuming no extrinsic losses, determine the loss due to this MFD mismatch. So the loss is given by minus 10 log to the base 10 4 omega naught 2 by naught 1 omega naught 1 by omega naught 2 whole raised to minus 2. Substitute the values. See, the values are not 9.2 and 8.4. They are different. There is a relationship between MFD and spot size. Spot size is omega. Okay, so 2 times omega naught is this MFD. Sorry, MFD. So what is MFD is given to you. So what will be omega is equal to MFD by 2. So you have to do that. Get the substitution. Just put the values. Get the 10 minus 10 log to the base 10. इसका जो भी answer आएगा, put it. You will get it as 0.35 decibels. So this is about the optical fiber misalignment and joint losses. So what we have studied about intrinsic loss, extrinsic loss. Intrinsic loss में क्या होगा, कोर मिसमैच हो सकता है, देन न्यूमेरिकल अपर्चर में मिसमैच होगा, रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स प्रोफाइल में मिसमैच होगा. Coming to extrinsic losses, we have studied about 3 different misalignments. They can be lateral, longitudinal and angular. So we have seen these different losses both in case of multi-mode fiber joints and single mode fiber joints. Okay, this is one topic of your that is fiber misalignment and joint loss. We have completed this.